Hello everyone and welcome to another one of my videos, and today we're going to learn about a new tech tool, Linoit. What is Linoit? Let's find out. Linoit is a digital online tool that can serve educators and students in multiple ways. Linoit is an online site that allows one to create boards using sticky notes. The user can create a board for private use, for sharing with the public, or to share with individuals who have been given a link to the owner's board. With the proper settings in place, individuals with the URL address can edit and add to the boards, which make this a great site for teachers who work collaboratively with students, or to have students work collaboratively together. Students do not need to create an account in order to use this learning tool. Linoit has many great uses in the classroom. Let's start by logging into Linoit. You click Login when you are on the website. You can either log in with Twitter, Facebook, or Google. I'm going to choose to log in with Google. I already have my school account with my school address, but I'm not going to use it. I will use my personal. So it's a new Linoit. So the message that I have is you can sign up using your Google account or associate with an existing account. So I'm going to sign up because I want a new one. Okay, I accept the term of use and then I sign up. So I have my brand new Linoit account. This is how it looks like. I have my name or my username on top, and you have my page, my canvases, my group favorite, task, trash, and so on. Now let's go to the main page. I have a whole bunch of Linoit already there as example. I don't need them. I can actually edit them if I want, or I can simply delete them or peel them off. To peel them off, I do this. It means my Linoit has been removed. Okay. Now I can remove all of them. Remove. So those are like tutorial. If you wanna learn how to use it, you don't need anything but just go on the website. So one of the great advantages of Linoit is the fact that students can post to the teacher's share board without having to have a Linoit account. It should be noted that those who post to a Linoit board via a URL address do so anonymously. It is important to ask students to sign their first name to their sticky so that you can keep track which sticky belongs to which student. It is also important to review with student expectation regarding the use of the site. Since students post items anonymously, it is possible for students to post inappropriate materials or comment to the classroom board. It is important to review with student expectation regarding the use of the site. Since students post items anonymously, it is possible for students to post inappropriate material or comment to the classroom board. It is important to teach students about digital citizenship before allowing students to post to your Linoit board. To create a sticky note, very simple. You click on the color you want. Okay, cancel it. Click on the color you want and you choose a font. The font makes what you're writing big or small, and also you can choose a color of what you're writing as well. When I choose yellow, what I'm writing will be yellow. We don't want yellow here, but let's choose black. I can post a due date to the Linoit. Suppose I want to create an assignment for students. I choose a due date. It can be the feed. Okay. I can choose to make it private. When I make it private, nobody can see it. I don't want to make it private. Okay. I want the link to be accessible to anyone. So I write something on it. What is Linoit, for example? All right. And like I said, the color I choose will depend on how my message will come out. It can come out blue. Okay. Yeah. So I can change the color after I write whatever I want. Okay, so I put the assignment on there, put the due date, this due date is tomorrow, and then I click post. Alright. So what I need to do is I copy the link and then I send it to whoever I want to. Okay, so I will send the URL to myself just so you can see how it works. So I will type my email, maybe a subject Linoit. It doesn't matter. So whatever way you use to send the link to your student can work. As long as it's the link, it can work. This is the link. So this is the link. Let me click on it, okay, to see where it will take me. So it's taking me exactly to the same Linoit that I have created. So suppose I give this link to student as a do now link. So when they click on it, they will go straight to that page. They just have to click on here, okay, and tap whatever they want. It is da, and then they post it like this. Okay, that's how it works. Suppose I want my student to have a recording, for example. So I click on this icon. If it's a YouTube video that I would like to post, I just copy the URL and I post it right here. Okay. So let's go to YouTube. Alright, so there are so many videos on what is Linoit actually. Okay, here's a tutorial. So I just copy the link and then I go to my Linoit and I paste it, post. Okay, and when the students are on the side, they just play the Linoit. So the video is embedded.
Are you looking for a way to get students to interact with your class lessons without having to always raise your hand? Well,
there you go. Or suppose I want to post a picture. This is what I do. I click on this icon right here, click, and then I choose a file. It will take me to where I want to be, either my desktop, my document, or my download. Let's stay with the download. Okay, I can choose any file that I want here. Picture 3, and then I click post, and it's posted there. I can drag in if I want. This is my picture here. First we had the video and now picture. And if I want to post a file, I choose a file. Can go anywhere in Perfect Quiz. And then I click post. And voila, it's behind my my video actually. So you can use Linoit in the classroom for so many things. You can create a KWL chat with it, work on a do now, on inquiry-based learning, check for understanding of topic thoughts, brainstorming, sharing resources, collaborative note-taking, have classroom discussions, story building, create word walls, keep a to-do list, and the list goes on and on and on. Okay, so I want to challenge you a little bit. For those who are not familiar with Linoit and who are discovering it today, you are beginners, so your challenge will be to try to play around with your private canvas and create to-do list yourself. So try playing with it. And for people that are already familiar with Linoit, you are advanced, so invite your student to add content to your Linoit canvas. And let me know later in the comment section how it has worked for you and what are the new things you have discovered with Linoit. That will be it from me today. I'm glad you were able to watch this video about the new tech tool Linoit. Enjoy it and use it in your classrooms. Also, write later in the comment section how it has worked for you. To finish, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button under the video. See you next time.